Yeah. That's depressing.
Well, there comes the bird. He's a funny one. Oh, look at him. I'll try to zoom in. You can see the other ones on the tree. Ooh, they're very skittish this morning. Nervous. They keep waiting for a horde to come. And they look right in the window. It's hysterical. Let's see, I'm going to move the camera just real slowly over here. See, they come right into this crazy bush. They're all in there. And then they zoom in on this. There's seeds all over the windowsill right underneath this. Ooh, look, there they are. And there's one guy, he just literally looks in the window. Oh, there, look, you see him how they look in the window?
Oh, I can't see from here.
I'm not talking to you, Mike.
Oh.
Oh, they're funny. There they are. And you see in the background, we have all the bird socks and etc., etc. Mike Jr. got 2 for us for Christmas. There's one waiting right there. Oh, they're little cuties. I want to zoom in so I could see them better. I have to stand a little farther back because I don't want to scare them away. Now there's probably some guys on the windowsill that I can't capture. And these guys are waiting to pounce in. Oh, they're flying all about. I think there's nobody around right at the moment. Oh, here comes one. There's another one there. I love it when they look up like that. It's so funny. If I get too close, then they leave. Ooh. Often we don't see this. Often they feed right off the windowsill. Oh, they're very happy this morning. My, oh my. We have finches, and we have chickadees, nuthatches.
Sparrows.
Oh, look, see how he's looking in? Aw, so cute. So cute. And they have all their feeding out there way back. Ooh, I missed it. There was a really good shot there. Oh, see how they look in? It's pretty funny. I love watching them. Aw, there they are. They just sit there. It's the cutest thing. And the sink is right here, so see right here. Here's my sink. My greatest blessings. Call me Gana, not Grandma. So, but here I am right by my kitchen sink. And I can see them. It's very cool. Here I come again. Let's see if there's any action. I think they kind of went away for a little bit. All right, that's all for now.